I am from Gaugras Math Sub. I shall explain question number 4, exercise 6.4, that has been taken from chapter 6, approximation of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, find the approximate change in the value V of a cube side x meter caused by increasing the side by 1%. Now come out to solution here. This is a word problem. First of all, go through the word problem carefully and mark the key point with the help of pinpointed pencil. So here you have to find out the approximate change in which volume V of a cube side x meter, increasing the side by 1%. Now come out to solution here. Implied that here you can see volume of a cube. So here I shall write, given that the volume of the cube is equal to capital V, and the side of the cube is equal to x meter. Given that the volume of the cube is equal to capital V and side of the cube is equal to x meter. So what to do here? Apply the formula. The volume of a cube is equal to side का cube. So here hence capital V equal to x cube. Here you can see the volume of the cube is capital V. A side of the cube is x meter. The volume of the cube capital V is equal to side का whole cube. This is the formula. So what to do here? Here I shall write dWRT x. dWRT x means differentiating capital V with respect to x. So here you will get d over dx of capital V equal to d over dx of x cube. Implied that d over dx of capital V. Here you can see in center function is capital V. In denominator x is available. Capital V and x are different. That's why capital V will be conjugated with d. Comes out to be dV over dx. So here write dV over dx equal to d over dx of x cube comes out to be 3x square. This thing will get d over dx of x cube. You will get here 3x square. The value of dV over dx you have got 3x square. Now come out to next point here. Here you can see the side of the cube is x meter. It is given. By increasing the side, the change in the side. So here I shall write change in the side. Change in the side x equal to delta x. This is the question. Increasing the side. साइड क्या हो रहा है? इंक्रीज कर देना. तो चेंज किस में हो रहा है? साइड में. तो चेंज इन द साइड x. Change in the side x equal to delta x. Change in the side equal to delta x. So what we'll do here, I shall write implied that delta x is equal to, here it says increasing the side by 1%. This means that increasing the side means delta x comes out to be 1%. 1% means 1/100 ऑफ किसका, साइड का, x का, x मीटर साइड है तो x का 1%, 1% मीन्स 1/1000, सॉरी 1/100. डेल्टा x इज इक्वल टू 1/100 ऑफ x. x इज द साइड ऑफ द क्यूब. क्यूब के साइड का 1%, 1% मीन्स 1/100. That will be delta x. Now simplify this one. So what will you imply that delta x is equal to, this is implied that delta x is equal to 1/100 comes out to be 0.01. 1/100 comes out to be 0.01 of x. Of means multiply. So here write x. Here write x. Delta x is equal to 0.01 dot x. This value you have got. Delta x is the change in the side. Delta x is the change in the side. Value of delta x, this one we have got. dv over dx you have got 3x square. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out approximate change in the volume v. So you have to find out delta v. Approximate change in v. Here I shall write implied that the approximate change in capital V is equal to delta V. The approximate change in volume V is equal to delta V. So apply the formula here. Here I shall apply the formula. By applying the formula, by applying the formula implied that delta V is equal to dv over dx dot delta x. By applying the formula implied that delta V is equal to dv over dx dot delta x. So here you can see, just analyze this formula. Here in center function delta x is available. Here in denominator dx is available. Delta x dx, just it will be cancelled out. Here we will get dv equal to delta v. Formula is tallied here. And now find out the value of delta v. So here I shall write delta v is equal to capital V, this is capital V, write like this. Delta v is equal to, put the value of dv over dx. dv over dx I shall write this value 3x square. So here write 3x square. Or put the value of delta x. Delta x I have got this one value. So here I shall write 0.01 dot x. Here write meter cube, this one. So what we will do here, just calculate this one. Delta V equal to, here 0.01 will multiply to 3. You will get here 0.03 x x square will multiply to x, comes out to be x cube. Write this in bracket. Here write meter cube. Delta V equal to 0.03 x cube. X square will multiply to x, comes out to be x cube. M raised to the power 3, this is the unit of a value. So this will be correct answer. Here I shall write answer. This is the approximate value. Here I approximate. Implied that approximate value 0.03 x cube, that will be one bracket m raised to power 3. This will be the correct answer you have got. The correct answer of question number 4. Approximate value 0.03 x raised to power 3 m cube. This will be the correct answer you have got. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 4. That has been taken from exercise 6.4, chapter 6, approximation of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay, thanks.